Benefits of swimming every day. Can you imagine an all-in-one exercise that's as enjoyable as it is beneficial? A workout in which every stroke not only propels you through water, but also powers up your muscles, boosts your brain, and soothes your soul. Well, we are talking about swimming here. Swimming stands as a rare gem in the realm of exercise. It's a pursuit with minimal downsides and an abundance of physical and mental benefits. It's a versatile activity that caters to individuals of all ages and fitness levels. Whether embraced as a relaxing pastime or an intense cardiovascular workout, swimming offers a variety of advantages. To get the most out of swimming, it's best approached not just as a casual dip, but as a dedicated sport and cardio regimen. Experts recommend a consistent practice, ideally 4 to 5 times a week, with sessions lasting between 1 to 1.5 hours. For optimal results, it is recommended to carry on a continuous swim for 45 minutes to an hour, utilizing strokes like the crawl or fast breaststroke, which can significantly enhance cardiovascular endurance and muscular engagement. Now, moving on to the 4 primary swimming styles. The 4 primary swimming styles include crawl, backstroke, butterfly, and breaststroke, each engaging distinct muscle groups. Number 1. Starting with the crawl. This swimming style targets the shoulders, back, and core, promoting overall strength and toning. The front crawl, also known as the freestyle stroke, is a swimming technique that is usually regarded as the fastest of the 4 primary strokes. It is characterized by the swimmer's alternating arm movements and the flutter kick. The swimmer also rotates to breathe bilaterally. This stroke is almost universally used during freestyle swimming competitions, and the term freestyle is often used interchangeably with the front crawl. To perform the front crawl, swimmers need to master the arm movements, breathing techniques, and flutter kicks. It is a whole-body exercise that can help build and tone muscles. Number 2. Next comes the backstroke. Backstroke is also one of the 4 primary swimming strokes. It is performed on the back, with the swimmer's arms and legs moving in a coordinated manner. The swimmer's face is out of the water, and they breathe by rotating their head to one side. To perform the backstroke, swimmers need to master the arm movements, leg kicks, and breathing techniques. The backstroke strengthens the back muscles and improves posture. Number 3. Moving on to the butterfly stroke. The butterfly demands powerful movements, engaging the chest, arms, and core muscles, fostering upper body strength. Since it requires a combination of strength and coordination to pull off a butterfly, it is often regarded as one of the hardest swimming strokes. Number 4. Finally comes the breaststroke. The breaststroke engages the chest, arms, and legs, enhancing endurance and toning multiple muscle groups. The breaststroke is the slowest of the 4 official styles in competitive swimming, with the fastest breaststrokers reaching about 1.7 meters per second. Beyond muscular engagement, swimming contributes to numerous physiological benefits. It's an exceptional way to boost lung capacity and cardiovascular health, promoting a healthier heart rate and better circulation. Regular swimming improves bone density and is particularly beneficial for individuals prone to osteoporosis and enhances flexibility due to the range of motion involved in different strokes. Swimming has a profound impact on your mental well-being as well. It serves as a stress reliever, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety levels. The rhythmic nature of swimming, combined with the soothing sensation of being in water, has a calming effect on the mind. Additionally, it's been linked to cognitive benefits, enhancing mental acuity and overall cognitive function. Moreover, swimming is gentle on joints and the spine, making it an ideal exercise for those with joint issues or back pain. The buoyancy of water reduces the impact on joints while providing resistance, aiding in rehabilitation and preventing further injury. The advantages of swimming daily are abundant. From its ability to sculpt and strengthen the body to its profound impact on your health, swimming emerges as a holistic exercise for overall well-being. So, if you've been contemplating taking the plunge into regular swimming, now is the perfect time to dive in and experience the myriad benefits this activity offers. And hey, if you enjoyed this dive into the benefits of swimming, why not subscribe for more fascinating insights and fun facts? Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more engaging content.